For centuries, Wall Street has controlled the stock market. They decided who got rich and who didn't. Thanks to technology, that's changing. That technology is called Agentic AI. Starting in 2000, the tech giants like Amazon, Google, Apple, and Microsoft started to change the world on the stock market. They started by changing from building products to building platforms that you and I could benefit from, and they started gathering the data. Now we're entering the age of artificial intelligence, and the tools that control the stock market, move the stock prices, are coming available to us through artificial intelligence. Let me show you how you can take charge of your financial future before it's too late by using Agentic AI. For years, Wall Street has had control. They have controlled the data, the analysis, and the outcomes. If you were a retail investor, you were just a pawn in the game, limited by the information that they choose to make available to you. Wall Street knew where to invest. You and I did not. Then in the early 2000s came the internet and everything started to change. Companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and Apple stopped just making products and started to build platforms which built ongoing income streams. They built ecosystems that connected millions of people and turned data into profit. Instead of one-time sales, they generated massive income streams. Think of the iPhone. Think of Google Ads. Think of Amazon Prime. The game shifted from Wall Street to Silicon Valley. But the power of data was still out of our reach. It was in the hands of the behemoths. But now that is changing. Artificial intelligence is changing the rules again. Artificial intelligence doesn't just process data. It interprets it, it predicts trends, it identifies opportunities faster than any human mind ever could. We're moving from the age of big data to intelligent data, where decisions are informed by real-time analysis, not guesswork. With Agentic AI, we're putting the power of this technology directly into you and I's hands. Imagine having a personal assistant, an AI agent that analyzes thousands of stocks on a daily basis, that tracks earning reports every quarter, and finds undervalued opportunities before the rest of the market. This is not just theory. This is a reality, and it's happening today. Best of Us Investors is on the leading edge of Agentic AI. Agentic AI is our secret weapon. It's not just available to hedge funds in Wall Street anymore. It's available to us. It's there for anyone who wants to control their financial future, who wants to delve into it, learn how to use it, spend the money to gain access to it, and put it to work. Here's how we at Best of Us Investors makes it work. Our platform gathers millions of sources of data every day and analyzes it and puts it in a form that you can interpret on our website. We present it with actionable insights, all customized to our financial goals. No more guessing. No more being the victim of the market manipulators. This is investing powered by the future of AI. Best of Us Investors is building more than a platform. We're building a movement, a community of like-minded investors who want to participate in what's coming in the future. We're pooling our funds at the rate of $19.95 per month. You can gain access to Best of Us Investors. Step into the new world of AI. You'll get access to our Agentic AI tools. You'll be able to access our daily deep dive analytic tools, and you'll have access to my personal cheat sheet. Insights that Wall Street gurus have been charging you thousands for on a monthly basis. And right now, I'm offering this to you on a 14-day free trial. No commitments, no gimmicks, just a chance to see what's possible when you put the power of AI in your corner. The AI revolution is here. The very tools that built Wall Street and built the Silicon Valley are now available to you. They're within your reach. Don't allow this next wave to pass you by. Join me in our movement. Take control of your financial destiny. Go into the description, Click the link for the 14-day free trial and start 2025 with the tools you need to build your fortune in the future. Together, we can make 2025 the year that changed everything for you. This is your opportunity to grab hold of Agentic AI, which Jensen told us about in his talk last Monday. This is your opportunity to take control of your financial future.